welcome back. So coming back to the part 3 of the video, I will show you how to actually create an account with TMDB. So you have to do join TMDB. Here you can give a username, password and email. So let me just create some dummy one here, and password, let me say, okay. So you can give anything here. And after you do this, click sign up. It does need account verification. So what I will do is I'll just go click on my email. And just click on your email. And in that email, you would get some requirement that activate my account. All now I have to do is I have verified the account. So let me log in with my password again. Okay, so we now got this one here. So the next step in this is we have to go to the API part. So we have created the account. The next part is I now need the API part for that. So how do I get the API part? So just go to moviedb.org and here you just need to click settings. So go to settings. In settings, you should see something called API. So go to API. In this API, request an API key option is there. So just click on this. And I did it as a developer. If you want a professional or a company, you can do that too, or a non-profit. So I'm just doing it as an individual, and it gives some rules which I'm really not reading. So I just click OK. And here you can give the application name. So to do that, what I will do is, so let me show you 1 minute. So what I'll do is I will go to my chat GPT, and here if I go to chat GPT icon explore, so I see all my GPTs. So I have created something called Cinema Scope here. So let me click on this. And let me do copy link. I just copied my chat GPT URL, which will be my application URL. So let me call it demo GPT application summary. So trending movies or whatever you want, you can type it. And my first zip code, let me look at some zip code in Arizona, and I'll just copy paste it. Okay, so I just took some zip code and I'm pasting it. Okay, so I just created this. Address is too short. Okay, 5th Street. And let me do this apartment 212 something. So application summary. Okay, trending movies for day, week, month and year. So yeah, I just gave all the info that's needed. Okay, so I now have the app. Now you have the API key, and now you have the API access token key. So if I go to what we did in the previous video, I'm just changing the value of the API with my new key and click send. So you are seeing this API is working fine. So that's basically what TMDB is. And if you want to see each of the API, let me show you the URL. Just give me a minute. So yeah, so if you want to see all the APIs here, so just go to open a new tab here, go here, and okay, so if you go to reference here, you will get all the APIs here. So you can request a session, you can see the movie list, you can see the people list and all of it. So if I just click trending all here, right? So if I go to trending, there is something called trending. There should be trending here. So let me do Control F. Okay, yeah, you see trending here. If I just click trending all, or if you want movies, you can only get movies. So you have all the APIs here. The one we looked at was all. I did all. But if you want anything, you can just do whatever you are interested in. The process is the same, what we looked at. So this is basically what it is. So you will have access to TMDB. We looked at how to create an account, validate an account, enter your details, and in the API, how to register your application, get an API key. Once you get your API key, I will also attach this specific trending movies one wherein you know what API we used here, so that you can actually create the next part of the application. So this completes the part 3 of our series of TMDB. I hope this helps, and thank you for joining.